this is Sai Sashati and I'm a legal intern at Lexan Company. So today I'm going to talk about the offense bigamy. We know in Hindu marriage there is a restriction of having multiple wives, whereas in Muslim law there is a system of polygamy. Bigamy is an offense under IPC and it has been given in section 494 and 495 of Indian Penal Code. The definition of bigamy says that having a husband or wife, but these words become vague once the first marriage ceases to be legal after separation. That means a person can remarry after having a proper legal separation from his first spouse, then only he can marry to a second being. But having a spouse in that time, if we remarry, then that will be considered as bigamy. And thus the definition of bigamy has been given in section 494 of IPC, and this was suggested and redrafted. According to section 5 of Hindu Marriage Act, the condition necessary at the time of marriage is that the both people who are getting married should not be having any living spouse. But there is an exception under 494 of IPC. It states that if either of the partners can have a contract and have a second marriage after a long absence of their partner for a period more than 7 years, then they have the right to remarry. So there are various elements of bigamy. The first one is that existence of previous marriage. That means one of the essential ingredients of bigamy is that the existence of the previous contracted marriage. It attaches criminality to the second marriage. So the existence of the first marriage should be there, and the first marriage should be a valid one. And that means that necessary ceremonies or necessary duties has to be performed, that has to be performed in a normal marriage to constitute the first marriage as a valid one. So when only the first one is valid, then the second one will be invalid. If the first one is invalid, then the second marriage will not constitute for bigamy. So in section 494 it says that there are two exceptions to the form of to the offense called bigamy. The first one is that if the first marriage is declared void by any competent court, then the second marriage will not be said that the offenses will not be called as bigamy. But if and the second one is that if the spouse of the first marriage is missing for 7 years, then the offense of bigamy will not be invoked. So from here we came to know that for the offense bigamy, there not only exists a first marriage, the first marriage should also be legal. So next comes the second essential. The second essential says that the second marriage has to be valid. If the second marriage is invalid or due customs or rituals are not performed for the completion of marriage, then the second marriage will be invalid in the eyes of law, and the invalidation of the second marriage will not consider for the bigamy. So there should be proper ceremonies, rituals that has to be performed to consider to have a proper valid marriage for the second marriage, and only when the second marriage will be valid, then only there will be a case of bigamy. The third essential element is that no person can convert himself to another religion for committing the offense called bigamy. That means, for take an example, like I'm a Hindu right now and I'll just reconvert myself to a Muslim to have polygamy, and that will restrict me for doing so, because I have converted myself into a different religion for committing any crime, and that will hurt the sentiments of my spouse, and this conversion thus will not be allowed. The fourth one is that there should be a concealment of the first marriage, like the spouse should hide the that he has been already married to his second spouse. Like before marriage he shouldn't reveal that he is already married. So that are the four essentials of bigamy, and this has to be invoked for an offense called bigamy. So if the bigamy has been committed, then there will be a imprisonment for a term period up to 10 years, and as specified fine, there is no fine specified in IPC, but fine can be given by the court. And that's all about bigamy. Thank you.